Hi, welcome to Microsoft Excel Introduction class. MS Excel is developed by Microsoft. It is part of MS Office Suite or a group of programs. MS Excel is a data visualization and analysis tool. It is used to record the data, to do calculations, analysis, create pivot table, charts, and so many functions. So let's go to the MS Excel screen.
So this is MS Excel workbook, or you can see it as a user interface. This consists of worksheets. At the bottom of this screen, we see sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet etc. We can add this sheet by pressing the plus icon here, and we can rename it also. So coming to the top of the screen, we have this title bar. So title bar is mentioned at the top of the screen. We can name the document also by giving some name, purchase, sales, or some party's name, bank account, payments. So like this, we can name the this document, and it will appear on the top of the title bar. So this is title bar. So at the left corner of the sheet, we have quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar. Here, the icons or commands what we have used frequently comes here. We can customize these icons also. So on the right side of the screen, we have this control buttons. So we have control buttons here. So there is the minimize button, maximize button, and we can close the sheet also by clicking this X mark. So below this title bar, we have one ribbon. This ribbon, total ribbon. This consists of tabs or menu bar, we can say, and below this we have commands or icons which are grouped in a systematic and organized manner. So we find this file tab, home tab, insert tab, or page layout tab. Like this, we have all the tabs. Below this, we have the ribbon which consists of group commands. So here we have font group. We can design or mention the style of the text, and we can size the increase or decrease the size of the text or numbers here. We can make the bold, italic, or we can underline this. Like this, we have some more groups like alignment. Alignment, we can make the text aligned to the left corner or center or the justification. And like this, we have auto sum. We can do the calculations here. We can select the range, and if we press this, it comes the total of that column. So like this, we have the group of commands in an organized manner. So like this, we have insert, page layout, formulas, view. So all these commands will come here, and in these tabs we have the commands, group commands. Below this we have name box. This is the name box. This name box. Here it gives the location of the cell. So now the cell is at the top. So that is a column and one range. So A1 is the name box or location of the cell. Beside this, we have formula bar. Here we can give the formulas of the document or text or values. We can calculate by giving the range of the cells like A5 to G5 to G11, something like this. And we can give the add or multiplication or something like this. We can put the formulas. That formulas will appear here. It may also contain text and numbers what we have entered in the cell. So after this we have columns. column bar, this column bar here. There is a column bar which starts from A, B, C, D, etc. So these are the column bars vertically mentioned as A, B, C, D, E. So next comes on the left side of the sheet is rows. Rows are mentioned as 1, 2, 3, 4. So at the right corner we have the scroll bar. This is a scroll bar. This is used to move the screen ups and down. So similarly we have the bar here which moves the screen to the left and right corners. So like this we have two scroll bars to move up and down and to move right and left. So here, so now we are coming to the bottom of the screen. In the middle we have the spreadsheet area. This is contents of rows and columns. And we can enter the data, work, text, calculations. So all this thing can be done in the worksheet area from A to the end of this alphabetical columns and from 1 to end of this sheet in the rows column. Okay. So coming to the bottom of the sheet, we have sheet 1, 2, 3 like this, and in the total below we have the status bar. In the status bar we get the how many counts of the cells we have used. Like this, if I use from 11 K11 K6 sorry okay K11 to Q21. So like this the number of the rows we have used comes, and the what we have entered in a one column, what is the maximum number of that value of that column, or what is the minimum number of that column, and total of the column will appear on this status bar. So beside this we have view buttons. So it is like some shortcut buttons. We can view page layout or multiple layout, something like this. And at the end of the sheet we have zoom controls. We can increase or decrease the view of the sheet by moving or sliding this. We can call it the zoom slider also. So we move this to left side or right side so that it can magnify the text or screen, or it minimize the text or screen. Like this, from top to bottom we briefly just studied about features of Excel sheet. So coming from the title bar to the end of the screen. So this is a very useful and important tool for the businesses. It has so many uses. Thanks for listening.